Hello, this is week commencing Monday, which is 31st of March analysis. I'm doing this late, but yeah, let's do this. So, nothing on Monday. Tuesday, you had Jolt's news. I'll review that real quick. NFP week, so my first trading day. Not actually expecting a whole lot today, if I'm being honest, with it being an NFP conditioned New York session. Um, London, I just skipped, but there wasn't really much, to be honest, for me anyway. Apart from I look at 8:30. My operational hours. Maybe this move here, but I don't know. I'm not too sure actually even about this, so I'm gonna review that separately. But just quickly gonna zoom out here on the high time frame, the weekly chart first. Okay, so NFP week, like I said, but so far from Monday, I'm still looking at bullish levels high here, previous weekly high in this CB daily. So far, Monday opened here, went to counterparty side Tuesday. You can see here we kind of just went up, hung around here, just crashed high, crashed really hard basically, and then just reversed up. So initially, this is looking at the low of the week, but with it being an NFP week, anything can happen pretty much. So I'm still gonna hold my cards close to the chest, as I actually don't know what will happen so far. But it appears so far that this might actually be the preferred direction now that we've engineered a reversal. Sentiment, so the bullish sentiment seems to be something that's easy to go against basically. So it's easier to go against the bullish people because it's the easy sentiment that everyone's going to want to flock to. So it looks like going against that, at least so far, I would say the end of today at least, might be something that's worthwhile. But then again, I'm using a lower risk, okay, only like a quarter percentage because anything can still happen, okay, NFP conditions. So I'm not actually 100% too confident just yet until the NFP news is out. But weekly direction, it's important to note, is high here. Counterparty wise, we did have some order blocks. Let me just go on my other chart. There's a PD eraser going to be drawn on this chart. Just go on the daily. Get rid of this. I don't need this. So there's a CW that we might find some support. The old what do you call it? Reclaimed order block here. Should we take this previous daily out, then this can become a reclaimed order block, as it's already being used as support here a few times, as you can see. And I wouldn't really want to have anything close below here, below the order block here, to be honest, where it starts. And if we somehow manage to get here, will be an invalidation of the bullish bias, at least for me, because that'll be just too steep. Okay, but I don't think that it'll do that. I think it's just gonna want to go really low, make everyone think it's going down, and this is a reversal in the hard time frame, but it isn't. I'm still subscribing to this idea. I'm not picking a top yet. Okay, news wise, NFP, so that will throw things into a frenzy, even without being any other news. Thursday you have OPEC all day, and then final ISM figures at 2 p.m. That's the only thing to watch out tomorrow, Thursday, and then obviously Friday is Friday NFP. So we'll see what happens. But one key thing I've noticed from my personal experiences, because I'm trying to conquer this machine gun mentality where we're trading, trading, trading. The idea is that even if you do have a few losses, by the time you're closing the day, most likely because you're trading that much with that much opportunities available to you, you will recoup that. That didn't actually work. It's a great theory, but practice it just failed miserably. So what I learned from that is I won't be a machine gun. I'm actually going to be a sniper. Really going to pick my shots around key elements of time of the day, such as the London, New York, and the silver bullet, those three, and then further refining it into that price level wise, only taking the opportunities that are linked to daily, 4 hour, and at the very least 1 hour, nothing lower than that. So those are the things I'm going to be watching price. Okay, I want to see a reaction. I want to see a confirmation, so to speak, of my idea or what I think the price is going to do, what I think where I think it's going to go. I want to see confirm that by closing a body, a pertinent close, I call it. If it happens, I take it. Guess what? That's actually massively cut down my trades by, I would say, just over 60%. I'm being really selective. Yes, I'm missing some trades, but the ratio of me missing is just minuscule. Absolutely not even worth considering. Basically, it's just that small, and I'm not even looking back and saying, "Oh shit, I missed that." I can't remember the last time I did that, but I do remember a lot of the times where I'm actually really thankful that I haven't participated in those shitty conditions. Which should I have participated like I did in the old days, I would have incurred an easy 7-5 losing streaks easily. Not happening anymore. That at worst case scenario, I'm having what, 2 losses? Okay, 3 losses, but that'll be about it. Nothing more than that. Even that's heavily managed now. So that means when I'm able to win, which naturally the win rate goes higher because the trades are really, really being selected here carefully after a lot of analysis, they have a high probability of winning. And because of the permit and the favorable risk reward, I can walk out in profit. Not to mention less stress, less hard time spent after the screen, less mental capital being spent. So there's just so many benefits, basically, of trading by selecting. Careful selection, basically. Refinement, basically, of my model is what I've done. So I'm really happy. I'm going to continue this forward.